Welcome to Techno Entertainment channel. Today we are going to show you how you can reset your iPhone and you want to delete your pictures, data and information and contacts. Just click on the setting, click on the general, go on the bottom, you will see there is a one button, it's called reset. Press the reset button. There is a multiple option like reset all setting, erase all content and setting. So here you need to press the reset all setting. Again reset all setting. So it will take some time to reset and restore the all setting to the default factory default setting. In this case you will lost all your contacts, image, pictures, call settings and each and everything. It will be resetted. So just wait until it will reset all data and then you will see your phone will become factory default. As we can see, it will take some time to reset and just wait. As you can see, your mobile has been resetted. All information or data are deleted. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.